Can I get some? Who wanna get it? Let me get some. Come and get it. Can I get it? First come, first serve. Let me get some. First come, first serve. Can I get it? Who wanna get it? Can I get it? Come and get it now.
Shatter Glass Transitions for Premiere Pro. Here is the folder you have just downloaded from Envato or from Elements. And here in the mocked folder are the transitions. The transitions are in 3 aspect ratios: in landscape, in portrait, and in square aspect ratio. In our example, we will use a landscape transition. Drag and drop any transition and drop it in your essential graphics in the browse panel here. And then drop your transition in the timeline, just in between your media. Try to place the transitions exactly in the center of your clips. Then select the C shortcut and cut your first video and your second video as well. Select your transition and go to the placeholders here in the Essential Graphics menu. Drop your first media in the first placeholder and the second media in the second placeholder. Select Ctrl or Command X and cut the media which is under the transition. Select the transition, go to placeholder number 1, you will see a timeline, delete the main clip and place the cutted part of your first media. Do the same for the second part, cut your media here, select V, which is a select shortcut, select Ctrl X, select your transitions, go to the placeholder number 2, double click, delete the media and place the cutted file. Your transition is now ready. Make an in and out and render a preview. There are some settings here in the transition. By selecting your transitions, you have some control concerning the blur, which is outside of the center of the image, the scale and the rotation are adjusted here inside those masks, as you see inside those white areas. I hope you enjoy working with these Premiere Pro Shatter Glass transitions and make great promos. Thanks for watching.